Hello everyone and welcome to another day of Spooktober. Today I'm going to be doing another Halloween treats video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make pumpkin shaped pizzas. So keep on watching if you want to see how to make those.
There's a chill in the air. You hear a creak on the stairs. You gotta knock on your doors. Is there anybody out? They're out to get you, to capture you and make you spellbound. Howling and prowling, you're shivering, quivering. Tell me who's spooking who. It's very Scooby-Doo. You hear a shriek in the house. You know it's freaking me out. They're out to get you, to capture you and make you spellbound. Howling and prowling, you're shivering, quivering.
In here because this is the day before the party and I'll be making the pizzas like in the oven at the party. So I'll insert a clip now showing you our reaction to the taste of the pizzas. Hello everyone, just a wee update. Forgot to film our reaction to eating the pizzas because we were too busy actually just wanting them in our tummies. But update, they were good. They were in the oven at 180 degrees for a fan oven for 10 minutes, and yeah, they were super tasty. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and let me know down below if you've made the pizzas and if they turned out well. Bye!